Welcome to this guided affirmation meditation for I am becoming. Sometimes when we listen to affirmations, they don't always make us feel good, especially when our reality is different from what we are hearing. However, that doesn't mean that we should give up manifesting altogether. All we need to do is take baby steps. One of the ways to do this is to add I am becoming in front of the affirmations. One way to do this is to change the language that we are hearing to make it more accessible for us. For example, I am becoming more confident rather than I am confident. I am becoming more wealthy rather than I am wealthy. Before we begin this meditation, please make sure you are comfortable in whatever that means for you. You don't have to be sat up straight with your legs crossed if that doesn't feel good for you. You can lie down on your bed as long as you are listening and repeating these affirmations in your mind. Before we start with the affirmations, let's get present in this moment by taking a deep breath in. Inhale through your nose, into your heart space, and exhale out your mouth. Release any tension from the muscles in your face, in your jaw, in your body. I will say the affirmation out loud. All you need to do is repeat it in your mind or out loud after me, and we go through the affirmations twice. Let's begin. I am becoming more confident. I am becoming more abundant. I am getting better every single day. I am becoming wealthy. I am becoming happier. I am becoming braver. I am learning to trust in the universe. I am learning to love myself. I am learning to forgive myself. I am getting better at releasing beliefs that no longer serve me. I am becoming the best version of myself. I am becoming who I really want to be. I am getting better at going with the flow. I am becoming more present in what I do. I am getting better at asserting my boundaries. I am becoming the most aligned version of myself. I am becoming more healthy. I am becoming more active. I am becoming more positive. I am becoming better at choosing a better feeling thought. Let's go through these affirmations just one more time. I am becoming more confident. I am becoming more abundant. I am getting better every single day. I am becoming wealthy. I am becoming happier. I am becoming braver. I am learning to trust in the universe. I am learning to love myself. I am learning to forgive myself. I am getting better at releasing beliefs that no longer serve me. I am becoming the best version of myself. I am becoming who I really want to be. I am getting better at going with the flow. I am becoming more present in what I do. I am getting better at asserting my boundaries. I am becoming the most aligned version of myself. I am becoming more healthy. I am becoming more active. I am becoming more positive. I am becoming better at choosing a better feeling thought. Release these affirmations and again take another deep breath in into your heart space and exhale through your mouth, release. Take a moment just to notice how you feel now. Do you feel a bit better, more positive? The most important thing is that you feel good and motivated after listening to these affirmations. If you don't, that's perfectly okay. It just might mean that these affirmations are not for you right now. Listening to affirmations are meant to make us feel good. And if they don't, there's something else that you can do to make yourself feel good, trust me. But if this did inspire you, you can listen to these affirmations every day to encourage you and motivate you, and maybe even one day you can listen to an I am affirmation. You are becoming the best version of yourself. I am so proud of you for committing to your personal growth. If you'd like more affirmations like this, please do let me know, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe as well for more content like this. Thank you so much for meditating with me. Have a beautiful, positive day.